for the restricting of abortion.
Well, you hear both.
Why would you do that?
The result of the conviction.
Money goes to the conference. No, sir. We are talking about money being seized before anybody is even being charged.
Clinics to Lubbock.
A huge
and
line of invisible
and,
cars
you know,
right
think
there.
about if you're having to travel that distance.
Alright,
The
I'll
most
let you
vulnerable
go.
people in the state,
Yeah, go
folks in
ahead.
rural areas, low-income people, young women.
At least you got my
it's really
attention first.
devastating to access to safe,
I'll give you
legal,
some
and timely
bonus
abortion
points, but
care.
I'm still
I'm
going
trying
on
to
the
keep up with the
video.
realities of this. Would it be a one-trip?
Decide to write on there. Like Florida and Georgia put the county. In case these people forget where they live overnight.
That's dumb. You can't see
Indiana
around.
says wander.
You can't see around me. There's no way.
Sure,
out.
just get out and get it. That is such an important part of building a great workplace. Storytelling in our society is a lost art. It's like a lot of the things we talk about. It's the human side of business. Do we know our coworkers? Do we...
Whoa, whoa. Wow. What the fuck are you doing, man? And you're on your phone too, and wow. No, it's red. Yeah, both directions.
News Radio 88.
Crosswalk.
Thursday, June 18th. I'm Michael Walton. I'm Paul Burdane. Coming up this half hour on our WCBS Opening Bell Report.
What the fuck are you doing? Damn, I didn't expect you to go all the way. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. You're going about 10 above the speed limit, too.
And you have a little fun.
But how you
But
got
kids don't have
signal
sticks
would
anymore.
be nice.
I don't think there are any sticks left. I think they've all been...
It's your fault. You happen to not see me here? Got your lights on and no signal at all. Why do
No! You can't do that! No!
It really leans about the end. Oh, douchebag. Douchebag on a motorcycle. The van's doing it. Oh, the biker's doing it. Can't wait the bird sheet like normally. Oh, that fucking CRV douche. He'll move over.
Fuck Dr. Two!
You know, I saw him coming
I
like.
do this shit, I do commercials!
course you had to do that. Yeah. Again, stupid. What the fuck, man?
First stop, Vietnam. Surprise the fuck out of those people, huh? You make a movie? Not this time, pal.
You get any closer to that guy? Full highway speed.
Personally?
Going over here. And once you join this shit, you as genius can motherfucking be. Believe that, homie. Look.
What's that guy doing? Tow truck ran the red light.
22 veterans die by suicide each day. You can help. The homemade program.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Started in front of people like that. Oh, jeez. Cell phone.
Since I left, ain't too much change here. I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still hitting them counters in the
Red light runner way up there. Wow, jeez.
I can think you're Janet Jackson. Plus you know what I mean, I guess I'm gonna
Easton ran the red light. Oh boy. Wow. What the hell was that? Just a turn 2 seconds later. Fuck you. That's definitely was red.
You got a short player. You gotta know who to pick. Especially in a fantasy golf world, I mean, you gotta know who some of these guys are.
Oh, thank you for
and maybe based on their
signaling.
work or whatever, have an idea. More so than once a week. What adds to it is that baseball.
I guess
hard season,
Subarus
man.
don't come with
I'm a
turn
huge
signals
Mets fan,
anymore.
but to get into some of these West Coast games, well, we can't help you with that. But among the
That'd make it a third time not using a goddamn signal.
Award-winning firewalls prevent hackers from taking your valuable data to the bank. Reclaim your network, like 150,000 other businesses have. To learn more about protecting customers.
Oh my God! It's a miracle! You figured it out!
Firewalls. WCBS News Time 1258. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 8th, and Chris the Jet's back in.
Wow.
The outbound GW Bridge is on all of the Bronx approaches to the outbound GW Bridge. The New England Thruway is even back
You had to do that,
from
huh?
Connor Street and the southbound D.
You just keep going anyways. Oh, you're just being stupid. It's that Lexus again. Just fucking go already. That street's... The fuck is that white van doing up there? The arrow had to have ended years ago. Yeah, let me guess, everyone's going for the 995, right? That's just fucking stupid right there. Oh, jeez. That's close. The fuck is this noise? This isn't a four-way stop here. What the hell's that? Yeah, he's gonna try it. And he's gonna fail. What's that guy doing? Oh my God, what? Is that a yield or a stop?
I miss you much. Oh, I miss you much. I really miss you much. Hey!
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Anybody else? When I think about you, I clench my soul. I don't anybody else. Oh no, oh no, oh.
Defog your tail lights. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fuck you! It's one way to do it.
You know, I waste all my. You know what I really? I spend the most money on. Like the one thing I really.
Rehabilitative care. To learn more, visit stmaryskids.org, where we
You'll
believe
turn
it
on
is
red.
possible.
Is he just sitting there? Yeah, there he goes. That's stupid.
He's played himself that far out of the mainstream.
Well, it's true.
Oh my God, are you
It's, you know,
serious?
it's kind of sad,
Oh,
really. I mean,
no, don't. Oh
I mean,
my
I remember
God.
Some people that don't think it's
You
sad,
people are
but I
fucking
think it's
dumb.
sad that he's fallen that far. It's not good for.
Correct.
Oh wow, that's kind of different, isn't it? I mean, I wonder. You think that's? You know, I know they made a big
Thank
deal
you
about the
for
flexibility.
signaling. Good
You think that's
job.
something that's going to be a waste.
Oh, what the hell's that truck doing? He's supposed to yield.
Woods for the 6 years between when she vanished and when her remains were found. The medical examiner
Come on, don't do that.
agreed to rule.
Of course you had to do that. That's stupid.
Rodney, you're not going to work like that, are you?
Boomer's got on him. That's your wager. You're in. You locked it up. You said yes, done. You like this thing here, Craigie?
He just rolled
What is
right
this?
through.
This is the cam of the Chambers Bay golf course. It's a lot.
Why the hell's that guy driving on the shoulder? Wait, it's a right turn only lane. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you too.
Plenty of room in it for stupid shit.
No, don't do it.
For these big fat ugly mother.
That's right, he can't do that because no trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because this is Connecticut and there are no trucks around the left lane. No, no, no. We're on I-95 and traffic's actually moving for once on I-95. What a coinky dink. I don't remember traffic ever moving on I-95 when I was, I mean, I'm still living there. I'm not voiceovering this 8 years later. No, no, no. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like and comment and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.